continuous growth penetration rate of mobile phones, automotive electronics, and electric vehicles over the years prompted the growth of demand for 5G high-frequency chips. Most global semiconductor manufacturers have some compound semiconductors as their development priority. The carrier technology for high-temperature, corrosion-resistant compound semiconductor manufacturing is the only applicable domestic technology for CVD SiC carrier production. With corrosion resistance at high temperature, an average film thickness of 100 plus or minus 35 micrometers and warpage less than 500 micrometers, this technology is at par with international levels. In the future, it can be applied to high-order critical components such as compound semiconductors, and UVC LEDs, providing complete autonomy and competitiveness for the domestic upstream supply chain for critical carriers.